Welcome to TribeTopper. We have got the next question in the series for MYP 4 algebra. Solve rational equation. So solve for x. We have a rational equation. The first step should be remove the denominators from both sides. So all you have to do is cross multiply. So minus 2 would go here and multiply with this. 6 would go here and multiply. This is called cross multiplication. So minus 2 times 3x plus 1 is equal to 6 times 4x minus 1. Open the brackets. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6x plus minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 is 6 times 4x is 24x and minus 6. Now put the like terms together. So I'll bring 24x here. So minus 6x and minus 24x. That gives me minus 30 and minus 6 plus 2. So I have minus 30x is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to, when you have negative on both sides, that cancels. So x is 4 upon 30 or 2 upon 15.